why this guy was SuperSport United? I'm talking about the former SuperSport striker. Grobler was not there. It's a question for me. Why Keletso Makgalwa is not involved? Go national team. The reason I'm asking, if Sobona Boyaya from nowhere to be seen and coming and start the game, give me raise my question to the coach. The coach did very well, Meleshim Shadi, but coming to the game, Namhlanje, you could tell the coach wanted to play behind the defense. Zimbabwe. Gunolungu lapha, Divine Lungu. They've got the assistant in South Africa, which is Kaitani Tembo. They've got the goalkeeper coach, Stellenbosch, who's coaching in South Africa. They've got a couple of players that played in South Africa, Bonole, Chabukama. Players themselves are my coaches. Coming to the game, South Africa predictably wanted to play on my wing, which is Unkota, no Apolis, and they wanted to go wide, a long pass to them. Not much of Uyaya. Two defensive from a coach, two defensive midfielders, which is Umkoena was not himself, Namhlanje. Not in the game. I couldn't see him. I'm not too sure with his injury. His injury to Mchito Khanye, Amamasela Krung, or Angiko Show, because the league has just started, man.
It's not a buggy. It's the new Hilux Legend 55.